This one is for our local seniors. Centerwell Senior Primary Care, the sponsors of this next segment, want to help you stay healthy, especially during the holidays.
Dr. Kuhn, welcome to Las Vegas Now.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Thank you for joining us and doing all the things you do for the community at Centerwell. So tell us about Centerwell and what you guys do.
Yeah, so Centerwell is a senior-focused primary care center designed for patients 65 and older. And we've been in the Valley for a few years now, and it's been such a privilege to care for so many of our community's seniors.
Absolutely, especially during this time. And I know you guys have multiple locations around the Valley. So what does each team provide to the community at each of your locations?
Yeah, so every Centerwell has its own care team, and that includes a doctor, nurses, behavioral health specialists, a clinical pharmacist, and more. And we all work together to maximize the care that seniors can receive in one convenient location. So each patient has a full care team working together to keep them healthy.
I love it. And let's talk more about senior-focused care. What does that mean to you guys?
Yeah, so it really starts with training the entire care team to serve seniors. It includes convenient locations, shorter wait times, doctor's visits that don't feel rushed, fun social activities for seniors, and more. And as a doctor, I'm able to spend more time with my patients because the better I get to know them, the better I can care for them.
I love that. It's so good to not feel rushed, in a doctor's appointment, to feel cared about genuinely. How can people become patients with you guys?
So it's actually very simple to become a patient at Centerwell. Just stop by one of our 8 locations throughout the Valley, and we can give you a tour of our center and help you schedule your first appointment. We're always ready to say hello to new patients that are looking for quality care.
Perfect. And of course, it is the holiday season. Any health tips for our seniors as they celebrate with their families?
Yeah, so the pandemic has changed some holiday traditions for many of us, but it's important to remember you can still safely enjoy this time with your family and friends. So if you're eligible for the COVID vaccine, we strongly recommend that you and those around you be vaccinated. It's important to continue to wear a mask and keep your distance. And it's also important to be mindful of your diet during the holidays. So watching your sugar and salt intake closely. We usually recommend to enjoy, but don't overindulge. And if you're able to, try to skip having seconds of dessert.
This is great advice for anybody, not just seniors, right? Well, thank you so much, Dr. Kuhn. We appreciate you and Centerwell.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you, Centerwell Senior Primary Care, for sponsoring this segment. If you'd like more information, just head to centerwelllasvegas.com.